Hello everyone, this is Bill from Lima Feed Machinery Manufacturer Company. Today I'm going to introduce our main part of our extruder machine. Today I'm ready to introduce the main spares, the most main spares, and that's our molds. So next follow me, let me show you. As you can see, there is our molds, and but as you will see that here is different size, but because we have different capacity machines, so that's why some molds like small, but some molds is very big because they are different. They are suitable for different capacity machine. And next. And for our modes size its size range can from 0.8 millimeter to 12 millimeter, like this, from 0.8 millimeter and to 12 millimeter, just according to your actual needs. Because some customers just start their feed farm or feed factory, so they need a very small size feed to keep their fry fish. But some of our customers also like big size feed because they keep the very big catfish. So that's why we also make this 12 millimeter feed size. And but the popular on the market side, the size is from 2 millimeter to 8 millimeter, and actually we can also provide it. So, and here is some sample of our fish feed, finished fish feed. As you can see, from small size to big size, just according to change different size fish feed modes. So just change it, you can change if you want to get how many size fish feed. Just change that mode. Just change the modes according to your fish feed size. Then you can get it. So next, let me show you our pellet feed modes. Okay, next follow me. Let me show you our another kind of modes. Follow me. Because for our extruder machine, it's not only suitable for making floating fish feed, but also it can for the pellet feed, some like cat feed or dog feed, just change different shapes and modes. As you can see, we have star shape modes, and we also have the bun shape modes. And here is some simple. This one is our bun shape dog feed, and this one is our star shape dog feed. So that means only need to change different shape modes, you can get different shape pellet feed. Just only change the modes. Then not only the fish feed, you can also making the dog feed. And if you are just a starter, we can also provide the feed formula with you. Okay, these are our fish feed size modes and pellet feed modes. But we can also provide the customized service. And next, let me show you our unprocessed mode. Follow me. As you can see, this mode is not being processed. So no matter what kind of size or shapes you need, we can also make it for you. And for each extruder machine, we can give 5 modes like this. No matter small size or like this big size, we can also provide 5 free modes for you. Okay, here is our spare part making place, and as you can see, our worker is working now. The spare part is from here. And next, let me show you our another main part of the machine. Okay, here is our screw and screw sleeve part. So next, let me introduce our screw and screw sleeve for you. So as you can see, we have 2 kinds of screw. This is the first one, and this is another one. Because for these 2 kinds of screw, it's mainly depending on the machine capacity. For this one, it's suitable for 200 kg per hour, below 200 kg per hour. But for this kind of screw, it's suitable for up to 200 kg per hour. So that's why you can see there is 2 kinds of screw. And follow me. Let me introduce the first one to you. As you can see, the screw in the front is wide in the front, but narrow at the back. Because according to this shape, we can get the very perfect puffing effect, and only by this we can get the very good quality fish feed. Then that will be very healthier for the fish feed, for the fish, and your fish will be healthier, and then you can keep your fish farm better. So that's why we use this shaped screw. And its service life is around 800 to 1,000 tons, and replace one. Its material is 42 CRMO, and it's very strong and durable. Basically, they are same, but just basically different capacity. So we have these two kinds of screw, and then this is our screw sleeve, and something just like this. The screw inside of the screw sleeve. Its material is 40 CR, and it's also very strong, and it's also very strong. And by the time if you are using the extruder, and we can also give one piece screw and one piece screw sleeve for you with you for free. Okay, next let me show you another part of our extruder. So follow me. As you can see, here is our electric motor, and for our extruder machines, we mainly have two kinds of power types. The first one is our electric motor, and it's 100% making by national per copper motor, and another one is our diesel engine. So it's also making from Chinese very famous sprays. So let me show you. And this is our diesel engine type, and it's from Chinese famous sprays, Changchai. And if you use this diesel engine, it's no easy to damage, and basically, and if you need to maintain, and the cost is very cheap. And then this one is the set of our extruder. It's very strong, no easy to damage. And this one is our cover. It's the cover of our extruder. As you can see, here is the logo Lima, and our company name. If you also want to design your company name on this machine, we can also customize the logo for you, just according to your actual needs. And then here are the main parts of our extruder machine. If you also have some more questions, just want to know, just contact me. This is Bill. I'm in our factory now. Thank you.